Before the marble and the fragrance, there are drums like these. Crude palm oil, one of the primary building blocks of nearly every bar of soap on Earth. Rendered animal tallow, an industrial raw fat that has been processed into soap for over 2,000 years. Sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, the chemical engine that triggers the entire transformation. Inside the saponification kettle, fats and caustic soda meet for the first time, and the chemistry that creates soap begins. At temperatures above 80 degrees Celsius, the molecular structure of the fats is being permanently broken down and rebuilt. The saponification process releases glycerin as a byproduct, separated here and recovered for use in other industries. The raw soap mass is washed repeatedly in salt brine detergent, stripping away residual lye and pulling the soap closer to purity. Every batch is tested before it moves forward. pH levels, fat content, purity, nothing leaves this stage unchecked. The purified soap mass is atomized under pressure, transformed from liquid to powder in seconds as it falls through a column of controlled heat. The dried soap base is compressed and extruded, emerging as soap noodles, the raw feedstock for every premium bar that follows. Each noodle carries the refined soap base and baked, stripped of impurities, purified, and ready for the next stage of transformation. The raw soap mass is washed repeatedly in salt brine detergent, stripping away residual lye and pulling the soap closer to purity.
The plotter compresses the raw soap mass under immense pressure, forcing it into a continuous log of perfect density and dimension.
Each pass through the mill removes inconsistency. What enters rough emerges as a flawless, uniform sheet of refined soap base. A surface this flawless begins here, at the die exit, where pressure and precision meet.
Each cut is exact, the same length, the same weight, the same cross-section, repeated thousands of times per hour without variation. A single decisive press, and the bar receives its identity. From industrial raw material to branded premium, every line of that embossed mark is a record of the precision that separates an industrial product from a premium one. Every bar is examined by hand and by eye. Anything that falls outside specification never reaches the consumer. Nothing is wasted. Bars that fall outside tolerance are returned to the plotter, melted back into the process, and given another chance. The wrapper arrives already carrying the brand's identity: minimalist, premium, designed to signal quality before the bar is ever touched. Each bar is wrapped with the same precision that built it, every fold measured, every seal exact, every brand mark perfectly centered.
What began as crude industrial fat and caustic chemical is now this: wrapped, branded.
The outer box is the final layer of the transformation, the last industrial step before this product.
The final check: seal integrity, print registration, surface condition. Only perfection advances to the palate. Thousands of bars, every one identical, every one carrying the full weight of a process that began with drums of crude industrial fat and a bag of caustic powder. From a single industrial drum to a warehouse of premium product, the transformation is complete, and the scale is staggering.
The same molecules, rearranged, refined, and reimagined, from industrial raw matter into something people.
This is the moment the entire process was built for. The moment a consumer holds the result and never thinks about what came before. Rich, dense, uniform lather, the chemical signature of a saponification process executed to exact specification.
Smooth, clean, precise. Everything the process promised to loom, delivered in the palm of a hand. Inside this facility, every single day, industrial raw materials enter through one door, and premium consumer products leave another. Every machine, every human hand, every chemical reaction working together toward a single result. At full production speed, this line transforms raw industrial material into finished premium product. The same carbon, the same hydrogen,
The same oxygen atoms level, rearranged by chemistry, machinery.
The chemistry behind every bar of soap is the same chemistry that has driven industrial production for over 2 centuries.
Behind every automated system, there is a trained operator whose judgment determines whether the output meets the standard or doesn't. Every batch begins here, at this dock, with a tanker carrying tons of crude industrial oil that most... The glycerin recovered in this process has its own commercial value, sold to pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and food industry.
This factory does not sleep. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the transformation continues without pause.
Before any fragrance reaches the production line, it is formulated here, compound by compound, measured to fractions of
A single drop of the wrong compound at the wrong concentration changes everything. This is where premium fragrance is earned, not marketed.
Even after stamping, the bars are not finished. They cure in this controlled environment FLIR, the final chemical.
At this stage, the bar is chemically active, still completing its transformation at a molecular level. After curing, every bar is measured and examined a final time. Hardness, dimensions, emboss depth.
Every liter of processed water used in production passes through this treatment system before leaving the facility.
The raw material warehouse holds enough crude oil, tallow, and chemical inputs to sustain
From a single industrial process, multiple premium products. The same chemistry, the same machinery, the same... From this to end to this. The same atoms. A different world. Behind every machine, behind every automated system, behind every chemical reaction, there
industrial raw material, human precision, chemical transformation. This is what it becomes. And now, you know exactly how.